Dear Deputy Minister, dear ladies and gentlemen, very happy to have this occasion today and to re-sign the PP16 contract today. So PP16, actually you need to keep 3 times 16 in mind. It is 16 single-seat aircraft of the famous light multi-role combat aircraft L159. It is aircraft which are coming after 16 years of service, and it's a contract of 1.6 billion Czech crowns.
Ty smlouvy už jsou podepsány, byly podepsány 34. letošního roku. My jsme využili této příležitosti výměny těch smluv na IDETu, a to z toho důvodu, že ty smlouvy, z té smlouvy už je třeba plnit. Bude se jednat o provedení prací 4000 a zavedení zástavby NVG vybavení na letounech L159. Pro nás je to velice důležitá součást té činnosti pro uschopnění a provozu schopnosti, prodloužení provozu schopnosti letounů pro armádu České republiky.
AERO Vodochody AEROSPACE, which is the third oldest aerospace company in this world, looks back to a very, very long-term partnership with the Czech Air Force, which is our most reputable and strongest customer. And we are very happy that our joint forces have for many years, we can even say decades, worked very closely to operate, to maintain and to test several types of different military aircraft. The PP16 program is not just a maintenance program, it's an overhaul program, but as well modernizing and upgrading the existing fleet, and it will allow the Czech Air Force to fulfill all military operations, to perform advanced pilot training and to fulfill its international obligations in the best way. So I'm happy that we come now to sign the contract and to confirm that.